Your Majesty, may I present to you the greatest detective of all time, Sherlock Holmes, and Dr. John Watson.
I love you.
Watson?
Oh!
What a looker, right?
She is stunning in person.
Sherlock Holmes. His methods are ingenious.
Right there.
He's a master of disguise.
What have you done with Sherlock?
Why, Watson? I never left. Amazing.
And his mind is brilliant.
Angle of approach, compensate for warping floor, termination of mosquito.
Well done, Holmes.
Oh my God! Watson, stop panicking!
I've got a neck!
Murder in Buckingham Palace.
Solve this case in 4 days or I will kill the Queen. Signed, Professor James Moriarty.
Come, Watson, we have a killer to catch.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Shall we begin the autopsy? Dr. Grace Hart.
A woman doctor.
Impossible. Fortunately, we have a real doctor here.
Would you like some heroin?
I have 2 days left to live. Solve this case.
Her Majesty, would you mind if we had a picture together?
Watson?
Who's going to take the photograph?
I will take it. It's sort of a self-photograph. Hey, girl!
Hi, girl. Over by the window, the lighting's much better.
Yes, yes.
Oh my God!
Mother of shit!